Are you tired of weak, flat car audio that just doesn't deliver the punch you crave? Do you find yourself constantly turning up the volume only to be disappointed by distortion or lack of clarity? Well, today's review is going to solve that problem for you. I'm breaking down the top 5 best, high-output car speakers that will transform your ride into a rolling concert hall. Whether you're into booming bass, crystal-clear vocals, or all-around balanced sound, this list has something for everyone. Stick with me until the end, because this list has something for everyone. And before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more audio tips and reviews. Drop a comment about which of these speakers you'd love in your car, and check the links in the description for the best deals on all the products I'm reviewing today. Let's kick things off with number 5, the RECOIL MS65 4P 6.5-inch Midrange Pro Audio Car Speakers. These speakers are designed with a high-strength steel basket and a treated cloth surround that ensures durability and consistent performance. They feature a 1.5-inch high-temperature copper voice coil, which allows them to handle power efficiently without overheating. With a frequency response that covers the mid-range sweet spot, they deliver clarity where vocals and instruments shine. The sensitivity rating ensures they can produce loud, clean sound even with moderate power input, making them versatile for different setups. What I love most about the RECOIL MS65 4P is how balanced they sound. They don't try to overpower with bass or treble, but instead give you a smooth, natural mid-range that makes every track feel alive. If you're someone who enjoys hearing the details in vocals or acoustic instruments, these speakers are perfect for you. They're best for drivers who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. The only shortcoming is that they don't deliver the deepest bass, but considering their price and clarity, they're absolutely worth it. Moving on to number 4, the DS18 PRO ZXI 6.4 BM 6.5-inch Pro Audio Mid-Range Loudspeaker. This speaker is built with a massive ferrite magnet and a 2-inch high-temperature voice coil, giving it the ability to handle extreme power levels. It boasts a bullet-style dust cap that enhances sound projection and ensures crisp delivery. With a frequency response tuned for mid-range dominance, it produces powerful vocals and instrumentals that cut through even the loudest environments. The rugged construction makes it suitable for heavy-duty use, whether in competition setups or daily driving. The DS18 Pro ZXI 6.4 BM impresses me with its sheer loudness and clarity. This is the kind of speaker that makes you feel like you're at a live concert, with vocals that soar and instruments that punch through the mix. It's best for enthusiasts who want their car audio to stand out in volume competitions or simply love blasting music without losing detail. The only drawback is that it requires a strong amplifier to reach its full potential, but once paired correctly, it's a beast worth every penny. At number 3, we have the ORION XTR XTX654 high-efficiency 6.5-inch mid-range bullet loudspeakers. These speakers are engineered with a high-efficiency design that maximizes output while minimizing distortion. They feature a robust bullet-style dust cap and a large magnet structure that ensures powerful sound reproduction. The 1.5-inch voice coil is built to withstand high temperatures, making them reliable even under heavy use. With a frequency response tailored for mid-range clarity, they deliver sharp, precise audio that enhances any system. What stands out about the ORION XTR XTX654 is their efficiency. They don't just get loud, they stay clean and clear even when pushed to the limit. I love how they make vocals and guitars pop, giving you that live performance feel inside your car. These are best for drivers who want high output without sacrificing sound quality, especially those who enjoy rock, hip-hop, or electronic music. The only shortcoming is that they can be a bit aggressive in the upper mid-range, but with proper tuning, they remain a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 2, the Timpano TPT MR64 Bullet Mid-Range Speaker. This speaker is designed with a 1.5-inch high-temperature voice coil and a powerful ferrite magnet, ensuring durability and consistent performance. The bullet-style dust cap enhances projection, making it ideal for cutting through noisy environments. With a frequency response focused on mid-range clarity, it delivers strong vocals and instrumentals that stand out. The rugged build ensures it can handle demanding setups, without compromise. The Timpano TPT MR64 wins me over with its ability to deliver crisp, punchy sound that feels alive. I love how it makes every track feel energetic, whether you're listening to hip-hop beats or rock anthems. It's best for drivers who want a speaker that can handle high output while staying reliable over time. The only shortcoming is that it doesn't provide much low-end bass, but paired with a good subwoofer, it becomes a powerhouse worth having. Finally, at number 1, the PRV Audio 8MB4 5-row V2 8-inch Midbass speaker. This speaker is built with a reinforced steel frame and a treated cloth surround for durability. It features a 2-inch high-temperature voice coil and a large ferrite magnet, giving it the ability to handle significant power levels. With a frequency response that extends into the mid-bass range, it delivers both punchy lows and clear mids. The sensitivity rating ensures it can produce loud, dynamic sound even with moderate power, making it versatile for different setups. What I love most about the PRV Audio 8MB4 5-row V2 is its ability to bridge the gap between mid-range and bass. It gives you that punch in the chest while still keeping vocals and instruments clear. This makes it perfect for drivers who want a fuller sound without needing multiple speakers to cover different ranges. It's best for enthusiasts who want a single speaker that can deliver both clarity and impact. The only shortcoming is that it requires careful installation to get the best performance. But once set up properly, it's absolutely worth it. So there you have it, the top 5 best high-output car speakers that can completely transform your driving experience. From the balanced clarity of the RECOIL MS-65 4P to the powerhouse punch of the PRV Audio 8MB4 5-row V2, this lineup proves there's something here for every type of listener, whether you crave detail, volume, or chest-thumping bass. When it comes to choosing the best high-output car speaker for your setup, think about what matters most to you. If you love crisp vocals and instrument detail, mid-range focused speakers like the RECOIL or ORION will shine. If sheer loudness and projection are your priority, the DS18 and Timpano models deliver competition-level output. And if you want a fuller sound that bridges mid-range and bass, the PRV Audio 8MB14 5-row V2 is the ultimate choice. Matching your speaker to your amplifier power, vehicle space, and listening style ensures you'll get the most out of your investment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, check the links in the description for the best deals on these speakers, and leave a comment letting me know which one you'd choose for your car. Your feedback helps me bring you even better content, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Remember, great sound isn't just about volume, it's about clarity, impact, and the joy of music on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.